Are you looking for your first or your next premium draping client? Well, sit tight because I'm showing you my exact process on what I would do to land my next client. Hey everybody, welcome back to Raise the Ball Podcast. I am going to give you my sound advice for especially those that's new or aspiring designers getting into the draping game and you're looking for your next or your first draping client. Now, there's a couple things you could do, but the easiest thing of all is just partnering, right? We've been talking about partnering for the past 6 weeks. So today I'm going to talk to you specifically about partnering with planners. Now, guys, they are planning events all the time. And since draping has kind of taken off, they are going to be your direct correlation to getting a draping client. So guys, the first thing I want you guys to take and pay attention to is who in your network that you know of that's actually doing the type of events that you desire to do. I know there's a lot of different events, there's a lot of different themes, there's a lot of different styles, but you want to focus on the people that is really already servicing those kind of events you want to do. If you're in basic land right now, but you desire to be in premium, or you desire to be in cultural, or you desire to be in corporate, you want to start partnering with people that's directly connected already in that industry. So guys, the easiest way to really find these guys is going directly in Facebook groups. I have had tremendous success in Facebook groups ever since I started. And the beauty of Facebook groups is, guess what? There's a group for almost anything you can think of. And whoever is in that group, they are directly connected to the topic of the group. So if you're looking for corporate designers or corporate planners, guess what? It's a group for that. If you're looking for cultural or Indian themed weddings, guess what? It's a group for that. That is an easy way to really find exactly who you want to work with without actually having to fork up any money and really do the marketing and the scouting and all that. So it's different ways to do it though, but the Facebook groups is definitely an easy way, and that's like going in through the back door. So the next thing you want to do is really hone in on 3. I want you to figure out 3 solid connections that you want to partner with. And guess what? Guys, today's world, we're in a microwave world. Like everything is real instant. So you can go the slow route and trying to find these guys' emails and trying to find their information, but nobody got time for that. I need you to go directly in their DMs and have your message, and you're really now, it's like you're selling yourself. And if you have a business, not even in the events industry, but if you have a business, period, you need to be comfortable with selling, because at the end of the day, you're doing it from the time you get up to the time you go to bed. You're doing it no matter, even if you're on social media posting stuff, you're selling yourself. You're selling a portion of how people are going to perceive you, not to mention how much they are going to be willing to pay you. So find your top 3. I need you to slide in their DMs. And if you don't know exactly what to say, that's another reason why you need to pick up my 28-point business audit checklist that you can find down in the description. And I want you to lead with value. What I mean by lead with value is don't go in nobody's DM saying, hey girl, I heard that you do this. Can we work together? I'm trying to tell you that wouldn't even get read in my DMs. I need you to really go and lead with value, meaning what can you bring to this collaboration? You recognize that this person, they cater to the events that you desire. What can you bring to the table that would make them be like, oh yes, I would love to work with them? Some of the things you can think about is, 1, you can elevate the experience, right? You do draping, and if you're under me, you on the brink, or you already in premium draping world. So you bring it, and I need you to really own it, and own it with a sense of confidence, to where they feel as if they need you on their team. But guys, let's just face it. Sometimes a lot of these designers already have their preferred vendors, right? They may already have someone on their team. Nothing is wrong with being a backup. Main thing that you want to focus on is you're trying to get your foot in the door. You want your name to be recognizable, right? So even if I had someone on my team that I strictly go to for draping, but if you came to me as a backup, as a backup designer in case my preferred vendor is not available, I would definitely look you up. I would do my research first though. So make sure your business back end, everything we talked about with positioning, is straight, because they're going to check. But this is a super easy way for you to get your next premium draping client, because planners, what do? They plan, they don't design. So they need you. They need your creativity. They need your expertise, because they don't have it. They're focused on running the entire event. And I know if it was me, I'm going to lead with value and let you realize how when it comes to this draping game, you ain't got to worry about it. I got it. Your client going to be over mesmerized. I'm definitely going to cater to any vanity that is happening with the client, because planners are the superwoman, right? So you want to always make sure that they are painted in that they're painted in that picture, and that'll be able to be done more efficient with you on their team. All right, guys, so I hope you found that to be super helpful. As always, I am here every Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you would simply know by just hitting the notifications bell so you don't miss the next episode. And if what I shared today was maybe a bit much, you don't know where to get started, guess what? We got you covered, because we have something amazing coming down the pipe. And guess what? It is your #1 solution to finding your next draping client. It is a complete shortcut, because I know exactly how it is to be in this thing that you love but can't find the people that buy it. So all I need you guys to do is stay tuned and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.